In this video, we will show you how to blend any combined photos in Canva easily. First, you have to open any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or other. Search canva.com on the search bar of the browser and press enter. Make sure to log into your account first. If you don't, create your account. In the Canva homepage, go to the search bar and scroll down. You will see YouTube thumbnail in the drop-down menu of the search bar. The entitled design page will open with the YouTube thumbnail ratio. You will see different options on the left side of the screen to edit or design the page. Click on Uploads from the left menu bar and select the image from the given images. Or you can upload your image to the page by clicking on Upload File. Select your images, click Open, and add images on the blank page. Adjust the images to the same size. Click on Elements and you will see different elements to add to your page or image. Search Glow, select Graphics from the menu bar, and you will see all the graphics related to glow on the screen to add. Add any glow effect to your image and adjust it to the image you want to add. Same with the other picture, add any glow effect you want on your image. Adjust it according to your image where you need it on your image. Click on Share at the upper right corner of the screen. Click Download from the drop-down menu. Select the pages you designed, click on Download and select the path of images. After downloading the images, upload them and they will show on the left side. Select the downloaded image from the left menu bar and adjust it on the other image of the page. Select the image and click the transparency icon near the position above the page. Lower the transparency according to your requirements. Overlay the images side by side to look a single image on the page. Again, click on the Share at the upper right corner of the screen. Click Download from the drop-down menu. Select page 1 with 2 images. Click on Download and select the path of images. After downloading the images, upload it and it will show on the left side. Select the current edited image to add to the page. Click on Edit Image on the upper side of the page. You can add different effects and filters to your image. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.